Yo. What is up, guys? Records Giver here with another reaction. Guess who's back? Back again. I am back. Move. Where? Tell your friend. Guess who's back? Yo! Oh, they're back again with another 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 artist. Well, the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 artist that I reacted before. Highlight. So the comment section flooded. React to highlight. More highlight. So we're there with more highlight. Highlight, big up yourself, my G. If you watch your reaction, yeah? Big up your bumbuckler self all the way from yesterday to this. Highlight with a song called 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. 𝐑𝐿𝐿. So, what could this song be about? Let's not guess. Let's just jump straight tonight and see what one. Highlight, let's go, my bro! Salting.
Yeah. We loud like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Yeah, with the goons and my cool like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Come in, just touch a stage show.
So glad. The bass flow just smooth with it. Thing on like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Yeah.
Ready?
We loud like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿.
Come.
Yeah, with the goons and my cool like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. Come in, just touch a stage show. Don't span guard them a bang with the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. The market's here.
Tugspan guard them a bang with the Draco. So even though them there say bang them now bang line alone, them a bang them Draco on them. Hustle running. Move now.
Yeah, with the goons and my cool like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. Come in, just touch a stage show.
Stage shot.
Don't span guard them a bang with the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. The market's here. Guess inna the tank and it tire them ear. We get steered up.
Well, I'm gonna ask a question to 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓 people who watch they watching this reaction and watch other reaction. Is 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓 on the #1 car over there so for the G them, for the chopper them, for the thugs them in the street? A 𝐑𝐿𝐴 do it, cause you don't know say a 𝐑𝐿𝐴 and Crown and them thing they're Jamaica, so I wanna know if a 𝐑𝐿𝐴 yes do it, you see me? Let me know.
Gas inna the tank and it tire them ear. We get steered up.
Gas inna the tank and it tire them ear up, not tire no flat. Know that. Car well prepared.
Don't span guard them a bang with the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿. The market's here. Gas inna the tank and it tire them ear. We get steered up. Jigga man a play like piano. Fuck y'all, smoke weed, bust gun, I saw me live.
Fuck girl, smoke weed, bust gun. Where we hear that before? Fuck girl, bust gun, smoke weed, have fun. Who sing that again? A busy sing that? Yeah, we hear that already though. We hear that already. Big up though. Big up. I like the facts in there, so with him girl in the video same way, so you don't know him a represent it. Him a live where him a say, is it?
Jigga man a play like piano. Fuck y'all, smoke weed, bust gun, I saw me live. Me ex-girlfriend a tell me say me change. Me a silly same youth, same dirty ways. Me ex-girlfriend a tell me say me change. Me a silly same youth, same dirty ways. Me.
She said my ex-girlfriend has some change. Even if me change, me supposed to change. Me your blood card your extra reason. But me still the same you with my dirty ways. Yeah, ways them dirty think. Me that same way, not a change. Where?
Girlfriend a tell me say me change. Me a silly same youth, same dirty ways. Me dey up on me ends a try behave. But say something again and a rifle wave. Fuck yeah.
But they up on my ends I try. Me not behaving on me. I try my best to behave. Let me see something again, a rifle a wave. A rifle a wave, definitely.
Me ends a try behave. But say something again and a rifle wave. Fuck y'all, smoke weed, bust gun, I saw me here. How you kill a thing? Violate a shot a ring like when a wedding a keep.
Violate a shot a ring like when a wedding a keep. Know that.
I saw me here. How you kill a thing? Violate a shot a ring like when a wedding a keep. Me have a couple dogs when you say fully equipped. And another set of dogs when say fully my clip. Me no drive stand and me gonna automatic. So do the matter.
Hold on. Him have couple dogs where fully equipped and him have couple dogs where say fully. Hold on.
When you later shot a ring like when I wedding a keep. Me have a couple dogs when you say fully equipped. And another set of dogs when say fully my clip. Me no drive stand.
Fully my clip. So Them have couple dogs that say, yo, we're fully equipped, and them have couple dogs that say fully maclip. So, the whole of them have dirty ways. Nobody now beg for you up on the team. Everybody have dirty ways when parry. Yeah, dirty ways. Dirty ways, yeah.
Couple dogs when you say fully equipped. And then I set a dance when say fully maclip. Me no drive stand and me gonna automatic. So do the mathematics. It's a whole italics. When
me no drive standard. We're gonna automatic. Everything I race out. Yeah. And a one tap and two tap. Not upon that. And a 38 this me a fire brother. Matic. Fully. Fuck around and find out.
Me no drive stand and me gonna automatic. So do the mathematics. It's a whole italics. When this will be a match with a pocket rocket. Who don't get a casket and get a 2 bag of chips. When you put them in a pool like me then you chop it. Like mosquito follow me so me clap it. Why more than Rafi ball on land no.
Wait.
Then you chop it. Like mosquito follow me so me clap it.
Mosquito follow me so me clap it. Mosquito follow me so me clap it. So you don't know the mosquito. Who no man? Basically I'ma show you, see I saw him clap it like, I don't know, it's a play pan red say, but it's bad.
When you put them in a pool like me, then you chop it. Like mosquito follow me, so me clap it. Why more than Rafi ball on land, no magics. How them a say they bad and they afraid practice. Knock it in a face, call me a knockis. Do a look chance, couple monopoly. Left gun out and don't run on me cup party. Tell a kind in a waist, me no got no pocket.
Tell a kind in a waist, me no have no pocket, brother. Gun on my waist every minute, me not keeping in no pocket, bro.
Fuck y'all, smoke weeds, bus gone, I saw me behave. Me ex-girlfriend a tell me say me change. Me a silly same youth, same dirty ways. Be there for me.
Yo, let me say something. Send kids, you talk to now. You can't give one of send kids girls them. Look on a girl how she nice. You can't give one of send kids girl them, please. Me I beg on send kids girl. Please. Please. Please, me I beg on a send kids girl. Yeah, a hottie, a tickers. She have a tick. If she not tick, she have a slim tick. At least slim tick, but tick off in there somewhere. You know? Yeah, me I beg on a send kids. The G them out there. Beg on a send kids girl. You hear that? Yeah. Ladies, if you not watch, you don't know. My number is awesome. Reach out that DMs.
Girlfriend a tell me say me change. Me a silly same youth, same dirty ways. They up on me ends a shy behave. I see something again and I rifle wave. Fuck y'all, smoke weeds, bus gone, I saw me live. Fuck y'all, smoke weeds, bus gone, I saw me live. Me ex-girlfriend a tell me say me change. Me a silly same youth, same dirty ways. They up on me ends a shy behave. I see something again and I rifle wave. Fuck y'all, smoke weeds, bus gone. We don't like freedom. Them a bang with the J from the market steel. The tank and tire them steel. Jigga man up here like piano.
Dirty ways. Me have my dirty ways and to everybody else dirty ways. Yo, big up highlight. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓. Proud on artist. Bad bumbuckler artist. Lyrics. Lyrics overdrive. Yes. Clarity. Rhythm choice. The man just cool with it. The man not kill up himself. The boss just cool with it. And the girl just stay back at... You can't give me a send kids girl. Me ask you now again one more time for the last time. You can't give me a send kids girl, please. See? See me Instagram yeah, over my head. See it, yeah? Just slide on my DM and say, yo, send kids girl here. On the G. Yeah, just do that for me, please. Me I beg you now. Artist bad. The artist bad. It make it look easy. It make it look easy. You see me? Bad. I like it. I like it, my G. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself. I did react to your song when I'm underrated. And people say, yes, you are underrated for real. So, big up yourself, my G. Continue putting in your work. Don't worry about who no rate you. Worry about who rate you. You see me? You better do your thing, me see, my G. Sky Sun Digital, big up on yourself. I think I know the production team behind one. Also, I feel going to big up cause great job. The female in the video, big up yourself, mama. The rifle not the video, big up yourself to rifle. You see me? Big up everybody to blood. Yeah, that's how I heard it. So anyway, I'm gonna leave on there. So if you enjoy the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there. If you're new, Send kids, big up on yourself. Yes, sir. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.